Hey there, Python enthusiasts! Welcome back to the 100 Days of Python series. Today is day 16, and we're diving into the world of modules and packages. In this video, we'll cover creating your own modules, organizing code into packages, and understanding namespaces and import aliases. Ready to organize your code like a pro? Let's get started. Let's start with creating your own modules. A module in Python is simply a file containing Python code that you can import and reuse in other scripts. Here's an example of creating a module. This is a simple module named my_module.py. It contains two functions, greet and add. Now, let's see how we can import and use this module in another script. As you can see, we use the import statement to bring in my_module and then call its functions using the dot notation. Next, let's talk about organizing your code into packages. A package is a way to organize related modules into a directory hierarchy. Here's how you can create a package. Create a directory named myPackage. Inside myPackage, create an empty file named init.py to indicate that this directory is a package. Add your module files inside myPackage. Now, let's see how you can use the modules in this package. By using the from keyword, we can import specific modules from the package and use them directly. Finally, let's discuss namespaces and import aliases. A namespace is a container that holds a set of identifiers and ensures that all the names in a program are unique to avoid naming conflicts. Here's an example of using namespaces. In this example, math and random are namespaces that contain functions with the same names but do different things. Sometimes, you might want to use shorter names for modules. This is where import aliases come in handy. Here, we import the NumPy module as np, making it quicker and easier to use in our code. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide to working with modules and packages in Python. You've learned how to create your own modules, organize code into packages, and understand namespaces and import aliases. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome Python content. See you tomorrow for day 17. Keep coding.